Tapos na naman ako ngayong araw sa pag...
What if they're asking for the password? Maybe they closed it.
So,
Can I say
ihatid natin
something here?
siya.
Can I say something here?
May scarf ka.
No, like red.
Scars. Kita ko sa inyo, magandang panahon na hindi ko maintindihan, nag-agar-arbis yung umuulan ba. Ganito na ang balkon namin kasi tuwing winter binabalutan namin ito ng plastic. Hindi pa namin binalutan kasi wala pa yung, hindi ko pa alam kung saan ko nilagay yung plastic last year. Nilagay ko ata sa taas, hindi ko maaabot. Sabi ko kay mister, kunin niya ngayon para balutin namin. Ayan. Yung ampalaya ko may nagbubunga na malamig, pero yung iba na sila, na dead man na ba, na dead na.
I was having a funny dream.
What is about? What
I
about?
go outside.
Mhm.
I see that Tato is big. Shato is like almost the size of Tata. Like not the original, the big size. And we found 2 more turtles. They are big. I called them. Yeah, Allah, I forgot the name. What did I call them?
I don't think that thing is growing.
And Tito. Wait, Tito.
Like this is so big now.
Yeah, shut
Mommy.
And fat.
Mommy, Tito.
What? Look at the small one.
Mommy, Tito was the size
Is it
of.
even moving?
Yeah, and
Tito
the
was
day.
the size of Shato. The 2 other turtles, their name are Gato and Tato.
I will open the door. Bonjour. Yes. Kipa. Andun lang. Taibin papaya o la?
Ouchie, thanks. Delicious.
Hi dada, biser. You can plant it. Kabay to?
بزر.
Eh.
بعد في وحدة.
Wala.
بعد في وحدة أكلت 2.
لازم ما أكلت halal.
بحطهم بالتراب بيعيشوا.
بس halal لأنه في سقعة. يعني
حطهم على جنب.
هيك.
Thank you.
Bye kids. Hello, good morning. Good afternoon na pala dito sa Lebanon. Ako'y nagluluto ng aming pananghalian. Ito ay burgol. Ayan, with salad. Sarap niyan. Anyway, malamig dito sa lugar namin. Super lamig guys. Pero pag nag-move ka, hindi malamig. Si mister nandun sa loob, si mama na sa loob din. Mga bata na sa school. May balita ako sa inyo, yung mga tao na nasa south guys, na pumunta dito sa banda north, umuwi na sila, bumalik na sila sa kanilang bahay, sa kanilang place. Grabe ang traffic sa highway. Ang nangyari, ay nako, ang mga balbas, sumingit sila ngayon, tinira sila ng kabila, hindi pa rin tapos. Small pagsabog lang ba? Kasi ang ginagawa ng mga balbas, sumisingit sila sa mga tao. Kaya yun ang nangyari guys. Naibalita lang ngayon na sa south na naman, tinira na naman nila, pinasabog na naman nila. Dahil yung mga tao na yung bumalik sa kanilang tahanan, yung kumbaga yung mga balbas ba, sumingit sila sa mga tao na civilian ba, yung mga pauwi sa kanilang bahay. Kaya tinira sila. Ay nako, sana matapos na, kasi ngayon na nga 60 days na palugit yung usapan nila. Parang sabi ng asawa ko, parang hindi titigil, parang walang ayaw ng dito na alam nyo, gusto pa rin nilang ituloy. Hindi sila sumusunod sa kasunduhan. Pumupunta pa rin sila sa mga tao sa south kasi bawal na silang mag-step doon. Yan naman, hindi naman ata masunod guys. Tingnan natin. Ay nako. Anyway, mga bata na sa school at ako'y mag-prepare na ng table kasi parating na sila. Okay. Mag-salad ako. Yung lettuce, alam nyo. Cucumber, kamatis, ganun ang salad ko. Halo-haloin ko ng vegetable.
Mommy, it's not turning on. It's not putting the number. It's still on 0, Mommy. It's not putting. It's not putting. Oh, I wanted to like prank you.
You cannot prank me.
I want to prank you.
Hala, tumon ka.
Yeah, and get this one for Laba.
Yeah.
Fima, Ah.
Oh, ang dami na.
Ah.
Kiran, get me my bread. My bread, Zeleny.
Hi, good evening. Kamusta po? Busy si Mami Laura dito sa kusina. Gumagawa ako ng anis cookies. Yan. Isa itong cookies ng mga Lebanese. Anis cookies. Tinatawag nila itong Yansun cookies.
Mommy,
Siyempre, the
I
ground
wanna
anis.
try one because it's been long time.
Yes, dito na naman ang dalawa. Hindi ako nakikinig.
I wanna try
Yeah, wait,
one
Mama.
because it's been so long.
Time.
Try
Mm.
one because it's been so long.
4 cups ang ginawa ko. Nasa oven yung first. Okay. Hindi kami lumabas ngayong araw kasi malamig guys. Tignan nyo, umuulan. Winter na dito sa Lebanon. Okay. I-check natin ang ating cookies.
No, from KSI. KSI, the one that makes prime.
Oh! I don't know.
He's black.
Oh, it's not yet cooked. Okay.
Daddy puts Kian as a picture, but he doesn't.
Ang bango-bango.
This screen, this screen.
Nilagay ko yung mga birds namin dito.
Look at that.
Siyempre. Don't play the phone.
Me one time, Daddy put me on as his profile picture.
Here, KSI.
No, that was a smile.
No.
How about we talk to Daddy?
Call now before you sleep. Bella, call na dati.
It's okay.
What's this? Yeah, it's YouTube. Hold up. Why is it?
Like this.
Look, I don't know more of the phone. Since you know more.
Hi guys! Ito na ang aking cookies. Anis cookies. Ayan oh. Kunin na natin yung iba kasi luto na siya. Ayan.
There's so much.
Yes. Pabaon natin sa mga bata. Tama lang yung pagkaluto niya. Para sa mga anakis to. Siyempre, pag may bisita, kape nila. Bisita ng mga biyanan. Ay, bisita ng mga biyanan. Bisita ng biyanan ko. Pwede ko itong iserve. Kape-kape nila. Mahal din ito sa market. Ay, nahulog na. Ay, nahulog guys.
Yan.
Ay, di pa luto ito. Kunin natin yung nahulog kasi sayang. Andun, oh. Isang piraso din yun. Anis cookies na may sesame ito. Natutunan ko ito kay Sis Maricel. Guys. Na-vlog ko na ito many times. Kaya hindi ko na ipapakita kung paano gumawa. Pwede ito pang negosyo sa Pilipinas. Na? Cookies. Lebanese cookies. You want piano?
Yes, I miss eating this. I'm going to do hot.
It's hot, Mama.
I miss eating these. I feel the bubble.
Yummy? Of course, yummy.
6
Yeah.
months it feels.
Give 6 months. Oh, it's been a long time. Almost 1 year. Hindi ako nagluto ng ganito. Oh, matagal na din ako nagluto. Last year. Hi guys! Tapos na kami nag-lecture. So, wala kaming magawa. Kaya nanonood kasi ako ng beauty pageant and try kong i-question si Cheyenne. Tapos, kasi,
I'm gonna kick out for the first question.
kasi nanonood ako ng may town fiesta kasi sa amin and may beauty pageant. So, nainganyo ako na manood sa mga ganito, lalo sa lugar namin. Kaya, sabi ni Shane, what are you doing, mommy? I'm watching. So, now, sabi niya, wow, it's nice. Yes. Every year, sabi ko na may, tapos, sabi ko, I will try you to ask question and answer. Kaya mag-ask tayo ng question. Okay, Cheyenne. Come, stay here. Standing and make a pose. Make a pose. Wait, Kian. Wait, Badsha, Mr. Hala, Miss Lebanon. Be serious. Question number 1. What are you most thankful for?
My family. They've helped me come through. They've helped me face many challenges in life. They've taught me many things in life I didn't know.
I thank you.
Thank you. I'm so thankful and grateful to have an amazing family that taught me everything good in life.
Oh, yeah, very good.
Okay.
Okay, now, second question. If you could change one non-physical thing about yourself, what would it be?
Non-physical thing about myself?
Yeah.
Non-physical.
Keep it. What do you mean?
If you could change one non-physical thing about yourself, what would it be? Ang hirap naman ng question na ito.
Nothing. Because I am special. God created me special and unique in my own way.
Wow.
Right?
Nice. Sagutin nyo nga din yung question ko.
Why would I change something about me when I'm totally perfect?
Tama ba yun? Okay, very good. Okay. Where do you see yourself in 10 years from now?
I see myself as the future Miss Universe. No. I see myself either as a therapist listening to other people's problems because I enjoy and I would love to help people that suffer and help them express their feelings when they can't.
Bravo. Okay, what question? If you do not win in this pageant, how will you take it?
Why would I not win?
What?
Why would I not win?
I'm just asking.
Okay. If I did not win, then it's okay. At least I've managed. I've participated in this beauty pageant, and I just show my true self to everyone.
Okay,
But why
bravo.
would I not win?
Define beauty. Did I ask that?
No.
No.
Define beauty. What is beauty for you?
Wait, yes.
Beauty is not just about the face, the body, who has. It's not just about the face and the body. It's not only from the outside. It's also from the inside. If you have a good heart, a good soul, a good personality, towards the people.
If
If I don't care.
if you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live?
Where would I live?
Yes.
Easy question.
If you could live anywhere in the world,
Lahza. Hala, I'm here in Lebanon, right?
yes.
Oh, obviously I would leave Lebanon and go to the Philippines to meet my second family, since it's been like 5 years I haven't visited them. And I would rather be Miss Universe over there too. and if I won as Miss Universe, I would be doing my plans there in the Philippines.
You know what?
Bravo. Nice. I like it.
Obviously, because I mentioned the Philippines.
Okay.
Where can I say?
Okay, bye-bye.
It's okay.
Get out of here. That's my turn. My turn.
Do you like my walk?
No, it's not nice.
Okay, Zia.
Mommy, my turn.
Wait, Kian. Contestant number 2, Cheyenne Khalil.
When is contestant number 1?
Be serious.
You're gonna get kicked out.
Ay, bravo. Nakakatuwa magtanong-tanong ba? Ay, wala kaming magawa kaya ganito. Wala eh. Anong time na ba?